Ever struggled with a TV remote that just won't work? In today's video, we'll show you a simple hack using a razor blade to fix it quickly and easily. Stay tuned for this handy tip that could save your day. Have you ever had that moment when you're all set to relax and watch TV, but the remote just won't cooperate? You press the buttons harder, shake it a little, maybe even give it a light smack, but nothing works. It's frustrating, isn't it? You might think the only solution is to throw it out and buy a new one. But what if I told you that with just a bit of effort and creativity, you can fix your remote at home using a razor blade? Yes, you heard that right, a razor blade. Let me guide you step by step through this simple yet ingenious fix that will save you money, time, and frustration. First things first, check the batteries. Often the simplest solution is the right one. Remove the batteries and see if they're dead or leaking. If the batteries are old, replace them with fresh ones and test the remote again. Sometimes the problem ends right there. But if it doesn't, don't worry, there's still hope. Now it's time to dive deeper. You'll need a small screwdriver for this part. Carefully locate the screws on the back of the remote and unscrew them. Be sure to keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing of the remote. If it feels stuck, don't force it, just use a bit of patience and finesse to avoid breaking the plastic. When the casing is open, you'll see the circuit board inside, along with the rubber button pad. This is where the magic happens. Take out the circuit board and examine it. Look for any signs of dirt, dust, or wear and tear. If you notice anything dirty, use a soft cloth or cotton swab with a bit of rubbing alcohol to clean it. Sometimes, a simple cleaning can restore functionality. However, if a particular button isn't working, we'll need to go a step further. Here's where the razor blade comes into play. Grab a disposable razor and carefully remove the blade. Be extremely cautious during this step, as the blade is very sharp. Once you've removed it, you'll notice that the blade is made of thin, flat metal strips. These strips are excellent conductors of electricity, and we'll use one of them to repair the remote. Now, cut a small piece of the blade to match the size of the button you're fixing. You can use scissors or a small cutting tool for this. Once you have the piece, attach it to the underside of the rubber button that's causing the problem. Use a tiny amount of adhesive or double-sided tape to hold it in place. The goal here is to create a better connection between the button and the circuit board. With the blade piece securely in place, it's time to reassemble the remote. Carefully put the circuit board back into the casing and ensure everything is aligned correctly. Snap the casing back together and reinsert the screws. Don't forget to put the batteries back in. Now comes the moment of truth. Aim the remote at your TV and press the button. Watch for the signal light to glow and the TV to respond. If it works, congratulations, you've just fixed your remote with your own hands. Doesn't that feel satisfying? What's great about this method is that it's not just a temporary fix, it's a long-term solution. The metal strip will enhance the conductivity of the button, ensuring it works reliably for a long time. Plus, you've learned a skill that you can use in the future or share with others. This hack is a great reminder that we don't always need to rush out and replace things. Sometimes all it takes is a bit of creativity and effort to make something work again. It's also a fun and practical way to solve problems without spending extra money. If you found this video helpful, why not share it with your friends and family? You never know who might need this trick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical DIY tips and life hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Tips DIY, where we bring you simple, creative solutions for everyday problems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Together, let's make life easier, one DIY at a time. See you in the next video.